Hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay, Pediatric Dentist, Professor in College of Dental Sciences and Director of the Academy. So aspirant, as you all know from the title of the video, that NEET MDS 2022 postponed and how to deal with it. So aspirant, for me it was very insignificant news, because it was not only frustrating for the student but also for the teachers like us. Because the goalpost is changing. First it was in November, then March. 2-time postponement is tough, but we all have to deal with it. We don't have any choice. Fine, aspirant. So why we are gathered here? Because the thinking is completely changed from today onwards for the exam. Because till yesterday you people were thinking that yes, exam is there after 15 days. So your way of thinking, your approaching towards all your subjects, your planning was completely different. But now your approach will change, because the exam is postponed and we don't know till when it will come. They have mentioned 4 to 6 weeks, so we can predict it may come in the May, but it may go around June, July also. But we have to wait what NB is telling, then we can plan it up. So now aspirant, this video is very important for all of you. Why? Because I don't want that you people make mistake. Somebody is studying very goodly and he or she may be in the top 100 of NEET MDS, has studied in very good manner, but because of this speed breaker, your study should not decrease. Otherwise you may land up in the thousands rank, and I don't want you all student. Fine. Remember, this is a speed breaker. You don't have to stop yourself and break. You have to slow down a little bit. And again, you have to accelerate yourself till the examination. So before starting to this video, I want to tell you one small example which I have read few months back in one of my favorite book, that is You Can Win from Shiv Khera. So in that book, one good example is mentioned that a family was there in which a son was trying to give a competitive exam again and again. Around 4 to 5 times he gave and he failed. He was not able to crack through it. He was very upset. The father and mother both were very tense that what is happening to my son? What we do that he can come out of this thing? So father once decided to make him learn something. So one evening was that his son was upset in the room. So father went there and he told, let's come son, we go to the kitchen. The son was very amazed. Why my father want me to go to kitchen? Already I'm upset, I don't want to eat anything. Father forced him and take him to the kitchen. Chalo beta, jate hai. So they went to the kitchen. Then father took 3 utensils. Okay, he told his son, fill the water in this 3 utensils, and he put on the gas stove. Okay, then he gave to his son 3 things: 1 potato, 1 coffee beans, and 1 egg. He told them to put in that 3 utensils and on the gas stove, and told him to wait for 10-15 minutes. So son was amazed, what my father is doing, he is mad or what? I don't want to do all this thing. His father forced him that no, you have to stand 15 minutes, let's see what is happening. After 15 minutes, he told his son to off all the 3 gas stove and tell him to take out potato, take out that egg, and pour the coffee water into the glass. Then he asked son, check what has happened. So his son was checking. He saw that the potato has become soft. He saw that egg has become hard. What was soft, that yolk was, that it was become hard. And the coffee was completely diluted in the water, and we can see the coffee water, and good smell was coming. So his son asked, so what was that, father? Why you did this thing? Then his father told him 3 beautiful things that you all should imbibe in our life. He told that the potato becomes soft. Okay. Second thing, he told that the egg become hard. And third, he told that the coffee has changed. The coffee which was there in the water has changed its surrounding. So what it means? So aspirant, remember, in life you will face the tough situation. We think that my situation is tough in this BDS because of quota, tension of getting through the MDS, and some students when come to MDS they have tension of clearing the MDS. So remember, the life always keep on tough. We have to change ourselves. So what the three things teaches us? The potato teaches that when the tough time come in the life, we should not be soft like potato. Otherwise, we are gone in this competitive world. The egg teaches us that when the tough thing come in the life, make yourself strong from the inner. Whatever thing come, I will work and I will go through it. But the coffee was beautiful. What he has did, he has changed his surrounding completely. Whatever the bad thing was there, he accepted and he worked over it and he's changed it. And you can see he has now in that glass of water only coffee smell was there. So aspirant, you people can also change. Tough situation has come. Utilize in some or the other way and make it very beautiful. Make the things which you people want. Yesterday some of the students messaged me, sir, we are feeling very bad. मैंने कहा why? सर हम लोगों ने 5 बार पढ़ लिया है. हमारे जो स्टूडेंट फ्रेंड्स थे जिन्होंने एक बार स्टार्ट किया था अक्टूबर में, उन लोग फिर से चांस मिल जाएगा 1 से 2 बार पढ़ने का. Take it in positivity way. Don't feel jealous. If they are getting one time more to read, means from 1 to 2 they can go. You people have read 5 times, you can go to 6 times. Any more better way. Today also, after taking the lectures from 7 to 8 years, today also I'm imagine my lectures there of today anatomy. I'm going through once again all the reading. Then also I'm feeling yes, again and again I have to go through it. So it's an everlasting thing. So how much you will read, that much strong will become aspirant. Fine. So first of all, main important thing, don't break yourself. Just slow down a little bit and buck up. Remember aspirant, you have to work hard because now the competition is increasing. Why? Because not only the present batch, your juniors also are going to give the exam because the internship completion date has postponed, and also your seniors are going to give the exam. So this time the competition will be tougher. So you have to plan accordingly. Please don't get break. So how to plan aspirant? Remember, we have to follow our pyramid only: base, MCQ and the revision. In base, remember you have to go through the academy lectures once again properly. Every time when you go through our academy lectures, some or other new points you are going to get because it has been prepared meticulously from all these standard reference textbook. And remember, this academy points, academy lectures are there with our academy students only. So that will give you, added advantage. Second, once again you have to go through the pulse. Again you have to go through all the explanations, synopsis, all the MCQ, again go through once. Sometimes when you give the exam, you may find that I made very small mistake. This question is giving the pulse. This is very small thing. So again, try to go through the pulse. Third, academic papers. Again, we are going to open up new papers, SR papers, everything we are going to add up. So try to give exams again and again and try to, get maximum marks you can get. Okay, aspirant. So this 1 month, try to complete all the weak part which you have left. When you people used to send me assessment form, you tell them in endo, I have left caste restoration, in pedo I have left that behavior management topic. Try to work over this topic in this 1 month till the end of the March. So your all the weaker topic gets strong, but till March only. Okay, don't go beyond than that. April, again divide your subjects and start your proper revision. Okay, aspirant, see the scenario of 240 question. Remember, in the 240 question, the 100 questions are definitely come from pulse, not direct but in indirect manner. So in that 100 question, those top 500 used to get around 90 to 95 marks. So you people have to get that. Other 140 questions, my academy lectures definitely will going to help you. And in that 140 question aspirant, you have to use your brain when it comes in the exam. Okay. So when you see the pulse question or a very repeat question, you can answer within seconds. But when you see the questions which have been twisted a little bit, you have to use your mind, you have to use your concept. So that increase or increment of thinking will occur when you go through our academy lectures again and again. And please practice paper. You have more chance to practice papers, and please keep on doing that. Okay, aspirant, and please don't explore unknown thing. If somebody has not studied Sparshgupta for the pharmacology or the Across for the innate biophysiology, don't touch it now and get confused. Otherwise, what will happen, aspirant? Instead of getting good, you are going to get bad. Weaker topic means the clinical, small and basic topic you have left. Like somebody is very weak in the cranial nerves. Nobody studied the cranial nerve from that hypoglossal nerve, vagus nerve. Nobody studied this. So try to just go through them once. We have clearly explained in our lecture. So please aspirant, take care of all this. I'm here to push you. Okay, my work is that to push you every day. But try to introspect where all you are making mistake and rectify it. Okay, have a passive reading. Don't read in detail. Just go through once in a faster manner and get one more confidence. Fine. Remember, the exam is delayed not for one but for everybody. But it depends on you whether you want to make the use of time in better way or want to just sit and thinking. Be away from the social media and all your friends who are cribbing that exam postponed ho gaya, blah blah blah. Be away from that. Take a rest for 1 and 2 days and once again start preparing for yourself. Okay, aspirant. So I have told all the things, the main 3 points. Remember, don't stop, keep on going. Yeah, you can take a rest of 1 to 2 days, but after that again you accelerate yourself. Second, try to complete your weaker topics. Third, again revise properly from the academic lectures, pulse and the MCQ reading. Okay, aspirant. And any doubt, I am there for you. You can DM me anytime, any of my students, even those who are not a part of the academy also, no problem. You can DM me. I am there to help you. Any help you want regarding your planning, regarding the reference thinking, I am there. So aspirant, please, once again I am telling, don't get disheartened. Any new news from the NB will come. Definitely will update on our groups, on our WhatsApp group, Instagram and also on the YouTube. So till then, study, take care. Remember, you have to keep on studying. Don't stop. Remember our goal to be in top 300 of NEET MDS. So till that, aspirant, take care, work hard. Any doubt, let me know.